Hello, Jim Tech Buzz. We've got a new speaker in, and it's the Tronsmart Studio Wireless speaker with advanced broadcast mode, 30 watt RMS output, 3 drivers and 4 passive radiators, patented sound plus sound pulse technology, and all metal shell craft. So that's what the box looks like here. On the back again, it'll just give us some more specifications there. You've got Bluetooth 5.0 and all that kind of stuff. So let's actually take off this plastic and get into it, and let's see. So you've got a smart app control, convenient voice assistant, Bluetooth 5.0, 15 hours of playtime as well, which is cool. So let's check it out. And in the box you're going to get this nice piece of paper on top, which is really cool. And you get covers there, and you get the speaker here itself, and it looks very, very cool indeed. So let's take the rest out, and we'll start with this here. So in here we get a little warranty card, and you also get your sound pulse technology. So that's for the app, I'd imagine, which we'll check out. And you get your cable here. So is it USB-C? Also got 3.5mm connection, and you do have USB-C and USB-A cable there, so that's pretty nice. So let's take out the speaker itself. And furthermore, there is a booklet here and a user manual, which we'll go through all that ourselves and show you how it works and all that kind of stuff there. So here's the speaker. So you've got a rubber footing on the bottom, which is really nice. So it's 5 volts 2A, and it's really nice weight on this as well, and it's an all metal finish, which is really, really nice, and it's super sturdy. Tronsmart branding there, you can kind of see through it there, if you see. And you've got your IOs on the back, so it takes SD card as well. You've got your power and your aux, and the speaker comes, the grill comes on the front and the back there, as you can see. And up on top then you've got your controls there, which are really, really nice and slightly raised, as you can see there, and nice clicky feel to them there too. And that's it after powering on. So it gives you a little sound demo when you turn it on there. So after the break, we're going to come back and give you some samples to let you know what this sounds like overall and how we feel it from our end as well. But overall, with the unboxing experience, it's a really solid looking product. And stay tuned after the break for more. Hello, and it's Jim, and we're back with the Tronsmart Studio speaker. So we're going to go through the sounds and all that kind of stuff, and it's mighty impressive, must be said. So just remember, you've got the sound pulse technology. You can sync across 100 plus speakers, which is cool. Lossless high fidelity audio. You've got your audio in the app, which we're going to go through here. 5.0 Bluetooth connectivity, your voice assistant, Type-C charging, and your 15 hours of playtime. That's basically more or less what it is there. And in the app here, if you go into settings here, you can see that you've your aux, TF card, Bluetooth, and Broadcast Master Plus. In here you can change your settings for the sound, and you just connect it there to get your battery status. So in here is where you can change things to your own needs, which makes a real difference. But also the Broadcast Master brings the sound to the back as well as the front. So in standard mode it will just play sound through the front, but with the broadcast it will come out through the back, which you'll see in a moment. So I'm going to turn that off so you can see there. So in here we're going to put some tunes up here now and let you have a listen. And we'll go over to the app. So that's default. So you can skip little bare songs by holding down the volume button up and down. And you can higher the volume as well by pressing the plus and minus on the volume as well, but skipping tracks is holding it down. So you've got everything that you need up on top, so let's keep going with the sound demo because that's what everyone wants to hear. So in here, I'm going to turn on the broadcast master now. Turn that off so you can hear the difference there. I'm going to leave it on because it sounds much better. So you can swap here between your bass, hi-fi, vocal, rock, classic, 3D and samples. And of course you can change the volume on your phone. So you can see your volume going up and down there with a single tap, up or down, and then changing the track to holding it down. So that's basically what it's going to sound like there, and you can see there that hasn't even budged up on full whack. It sound is absolutely excellent off of this, and particularly more so when you have it on the broadcast from the back as well. It really is loud, punchy. Doesn't actually, as you've noticed there, have you know, it doesn't go out of sync. It doesn't, you know, get tinny, distorted, anything like that, and it just sounds really good. It's a real powerful speaker for its size. It's a nice weighty speaker too. You can see it hasn't budged on full whack there. Like some speakers will vibrate and wobble around and so on. This didn't do a thing, and of course you got your app there as well to make things, you know, suit your own need, which is really nice. You can power it on and off from here as well, which is really cool. Of course, you got your Siri as well, and voice assistants built in there too, to everyone you connect with through the app. And if you want to use them as well, that works quite fine too. And if you want to power it off, you just do that. And if you want to connect, you'll just connect by pressing that there, and it will connect up, and you'll see there Tronsmart Studio up on top there. And that's it. You're all sorted and ready to go. So that's it for the Tronsmart Studio speaker. Check it out. It's worth every penny. It's cheap and well built. Super built speaker. Really loud. You've got your SD card option here, your auxiliary, your USB-C charging there as well. And basically it's just a great speaker for its price. You can't go wrong, particularly with the build, the sound. I love the way it's set up here, the nice mesh grille on the front and the rear. And then the option to swap from the sound coming from one side to both. And basically the best way is to have it on both. So you've heard it there for yourself, and that's what it sounds like. So that's it for it. Thanks for watching. Tronsmart sent this over. Didn't pay us for this review or anything like that, or seeing this video and review at the same time as you. And stay tuned for more tech on techbuzzword.com, where we go real hands-on instead of the stock images. You get to see the products we have, and we test them in front of you. So we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.